Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change currency on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type omio.com and it's going to take you to the official website for Omio. Once you get into the official website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change the currency on Omio. So from here in this homepage, check the top right corner of your screen and you have this option. All right, this Euro option. You have this flag, you have your bookings, and you have Amanda. So go ahead and click on this euros and you have an extended menu icon right next to it. So now you have the euros, you have USD, you have GBP, you have CHF, you have PLN, you have CZK, SEK, CNY, AUD, Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, MXN, and DKK, INR, NOK, BRL, JPY, RON. You have KRW, COP, UAH, HUF, CLP, BGN, and you have HRK. So these are the currencies available. So the next thing you need to do is to just click on the currency that you want to change. Let's say I want to change to USD, and I clicked on USD. You'll see that my entire homepage is going to, of course, change, and it's going to reflect that currency that I have used. So you see it has been changed to this USD icon. So let's say I love GBP, or not just because I love GBP, because I'm actually using GBP and I want to change to GBP. That's a Great Britain pounds. You see now it has been refreshed and that GBP currency icon is now being displayed. So that's pretty much how you can change the currency on Omio. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.